Hello everyone, today I want to show you how I apply press-on nails. These ones I painted myself, but when you purchase press-on nails, they come with a kit. Mini buffer, mini file, sticky tabs. These ones I purchased on Amazon, is this brand over here. Most of the time they include as well a nail glue, so you will have two choices on how you want to apply your nails, with glue or sticky tabs. As well, they include alcohol pads, but because I don't have it, I'm using my own alcohol today. Next will be to choose my sizes, and I like to make sure that near the cuticle area they match the natural way that my cuticle area looks. I make adjustments with a file, and when I'm happy with it, I will be ready to apply my nails. So I will continue to choose all the 10 sizes that I need for today, and I will show you how I apply them. Now I have all the nails ready to go, and the first step that I do is to buff the oils from the natural nail. This is a very light buffing, just to make sure there are no oils to interfere with the adhesion of the sticky tab or the glue, depends on what you're using. I forgot to mention that the orange stick comes as well with the press-on kits, is to push your cuticle. And you can use as well a cuticle remover like this one over here from Sally Hansen. So I'm not going to be using the glue, I'm going to just use the sticky tabs today because I'm just going to be wearing these nails for one day. And once you remove the shine from the natural nail, just wipe them with alcohol just to make sure there's no oils, no dust, and then I will go ahead and the sticky tab that matches my nail, and I will apply the press-on very close to the cuticle area. Some people prefer to apply the little bit away from the cuticle area, but it's a personal preference. I find that they look better very close to the cuticle. So just press down the sticky tab, peel off the top protective layer there, the little plastic, and then apply your nail and hold it in place for a few more seconds to make sure that it's all glued to the sticky tab. And then I will repeat the same step for all the nails. Here are the nails. They feel really secure, they came out really cute, and I'm going to bring extra sticky tabs in my purse just to make sure, just in case. So right now they feel really secure and I'm ready to go out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna be testing them here, pushing down the table. I'm gonna be scratching myself here right now. Nothing, they're not moving, so they're good to go. You have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.